In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Google Calendar access. To start, open a browser and go to https://calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that actually owns the calendar you want to share. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the profile icon in the top right corner so you don't accidentally share from the wrong one. Also, note that you can only share calendars you own or have permission to manage. So if a calendar isn't yours, you may not see all sharing options. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars. This is where all calendars tied to your account are listed. If you don't see it right away, the sidebar may be collapsed. Expand it so the list becomes visible. Find the specific calendar you want to share. Hover your mouse over its name to reveal a small menu icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the options, then select Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the calendar's detailed settings page. In the settings, scroll until you reach the section titled Share with Specific People. This is where you control who gets access and what they can do. Click Add People. A dialog will appear where you can enter the person's email address. Type it carefully to avoid sending access to the wrong contact. If Google recognizes the address, it may autocomplete for you. Next, choose the permission level. This choice is important. If you want someone to only see when you're busy without revealing event names or details, pick See Only Free Busy. If you're okay with them viewing full event details but not making changes, choose See All Event Details. If you need them to help you edit existing events and create new ones, select Make Changes to Events. And if you want them to fully co-manage the calendar, including adding others or changing sharing settings, use Make Changes and Manage Sharing. When in doubt, start with the least access needed and adjust later as necessary. When you're set, click Send. The person will receive an email invitation, and once they accept, your calendar will appear in their list. They may need to refresh their calendar page to see it right away. You can return to the same settings and sharing area at any time to update permissions or remove access if things change. That's it. Open Google Calendar, find your calendar, use settings and sharing, add the person, pick the right permission, and send the invite. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your schedule with confidence.